Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. U.S. Steel, Nippon deal in jeopardy, Paramount Sony bid reconsidered, CVS faces Medicare membership loss, Google steps into Gemini era with AI innovations, new holdings Q1 results unveiled, Capital Southwest announces dividends, AMC rides meme rally wave with massive stock offering, and market indices show minimal movement amid mixed PPI data and Powell's remarks. Stay tuned after this short ad break to delve deeper into these stories. The chief executive officer of Cleveland Cliffs, Lourenco Goncalves, has expressed skepticism about the likelihood of Nippon Steel's $14 billion acquisition of U.S. Steel going ahead due to insufficient union backing. Even though Nippon put forth a more substantial offer, U.S. Steel had earlier turned down a bid from Cleveland Cliffs. If the current deal does not materialize, Goncalves maintains his interest in either purchasing U.S. Steel or its assets.
Paramount Global shares experienced an 8% drop in response to rumors that Sony might rethink its acquisition proposal. The absence of a signed non-disclosure agreement for due diligence has sparked conjecture that a complete company bid may not be on the cards. However, despite these circumstances, Sony's shares saw an increase of 6.3% following the publication of favorable yearly results and guidance.
CVS Health, a company operating pharmacy chains, has issued a warning about a possible 10% decrease in the Medicare Advantage membership of its Aetna insurance unit. Following an underwhelming first-quarter financial report and a substantial drop in adjusted operating income, the firm is now focusing more on margins rather than membership. This change in strategy was announced by CFO Thomas Cowhay at the Bank of America Securities 2024 Healthcare Conference.
Announcements were made by Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Google, regarding new applications for Gemini 1.5 Pro during the Google I/O 2024 conference. This includes its integration into nearly all products offered by Google. The AI tool is designed to interact through text, audio, and visual cues. By the end of this year, it is projected to reach over 1 billion users and will be incorporated into Google Workspace in the coming month. New applications such as VideoFX and Ask Photos are included in its features, with an update to Gemma 2 scheduled for release in June.
New Holdings announced an adjusted net income of $442.7 million for the first quarter, marking a 66.7% increase from the previous year, and surpassing expectations by $170 million. The company's gross profit reached a record-breaking $1.18 billion, which is a 76% rise from last year and represents a margin of 43.2%. New Holdings also highlighted robust capital adequacy ratios and an interest-earning portfolio valued at $9.7 billion. This is an 86% increase primarily due to the growth in personal loans and credit card receivables.
Capital Southwest has announced a quarterly dividend of 57 cents per share, keeping the same rate as before. The forward yield is currently at 8.4%. In addition to this, a supplemental dividend of 6 cents per share has been declared, which will be payable on June 28 for shareholders who are recorded by June 14.
AMC Entertainment has successfully garnered a sum of $250 million in fresh equity capital. This was achieved through an at-the-market offering, where they sold approximately 72.5 million shares, each at an average price of $3.45. However, despite witnessing a recent upswing in stock value, financial analysts are issuing warnings about the company's worsening financial situation and are advising investors to proceed with caution.
Fluctuations were observed in U.S. stocks on Tuesday, influenced by a blend of data and remarks concerning inflation. Jerome Powell, the chair of the Federal Reserve, acknowledged that there hasn't been significant progress in curbing inflation. However, he reassured that hikes in interest rates remain unlikely. Despite an unexpected surge in the Producer Price Index for April, Powell characterized the report as mixed. Minor increases were seen across Nasdaq Composite, S&P 500 and Dow Jones indices. The focus now shifts to Wednesday's Consumer Price Index report, which is expected to impact future decisions regarding monetary policy.
And that's a wrap on the Daily Business and Finance Show. Keep investing in your knowledge. We'll be back tomorrow. Until then, stay savvy and successful. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Goodbye for now, until we meet again tomorrow.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.